Hi everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. I want to show you today how easy it is to install the pin lock insert on your LS2 Horizon helmet. First thing we want to do, let's open up that shield all the way to the top. Go ahead and pull that out of the carrier here on the side. Do the same thing on the other side, give it a good pull. And once we've got that outer shield removed, let's go ahead and set our helmet over to the side. I'll put mine underneath the table here. Once we've got the outer shield removed, let's get a nice microfiber or a towel, something we could set that shield on. We're going to put it down in a face down position. Now we can go ahead and take our pin lock insert out of the packaging. The nice thing about the LS2 Horizon helmet, the pin lock insert comes as an added feature for you. The pin lock insert is a flat sheet of plastic with a silicone bead on the inside. And what that's going to do, it's going to create a nice air barrier on your shield here. It's going to keep that shield from fogging up or misting over. The pin lock insert has a notch on the side, either side here. Let's go ahead and line up those up with the pins on the outer shield. Now the pins on the shield are eccentric, so if you need to get a little bit more tension on that pin lock insert, you can go ahead and adjust those and get a little bit more tension there. Once we've got the left-hand side installed in the pin, go ahead and flex open that outer shield. It's got a lot of give to it, so feel free to give that, pull that as open as you need to go. And now we line up our notch on the right-hand side and let that snap into place. Once I've got that insert installed, I go ahead and give that shield a little bit of a flex just to make sure there's no air gaps. It kind of seats everything in the right position. Now everything looks good here. Let's go ahead and grab our helmet and we can reinstall the outer shield. Go ahead and line up the forks on the carrier here on the left-hand side. Give it a good push. And let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Once I've got it reinstalled, I open and close it several times just to make sure that insert is not dragging on anything here on the helmet like the vents here. Everything looks good to go on this one, so we're all set.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.